Whoa, what is that looking at? Yeah, tuck tape. Hey kids, welcome to my head. This week, I'm not really gonna have a chance to have the time to kind of get in here and make something, so I thought I would kind of get something that's been stuck in my head out into the world as a way to kind of exercise it. That's exercise with an O in the middle, not an E. The video for this week is 5 things that you can do as a YouTube maker that will make me turn your video off instantly and probably never come back ever again. Before we get into it, the vast majority of the people that watch these are not subscribed to my channel. If you could hit that subscribe bell, notification button, or the other way around, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. 1. The number one thing that will make me want to kill your videos every single time, regardless, no matter what, no matter who you are, if I see your toes, bam, done. Video over. It's not a good practice to see your toes in a workshop. It's just no. However, I should say that I am currently barefoot in my shop, but I will not show you my toes because it's gross. No one wants to see my toes. If you think of anything that affects you thusly that I haven't mentioned in this video, feel free to put it down in the doobly-doo below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the thing. Yeah, that was clunky. Anyway, the second thing you can do in your YouTube videos that will make me instantly turn it off, if you are holding a mounted microphone in your hand, like this, right? If you have a Rode and you're holding it like this and you're talking, you're like, no matter what you're saying, I can't get past it. Off. I turn it off. Clip it on somewhere. Better yet, get a lavalier like this one and just, you know, make it invisible-ish. I want to see the art, not the artifice. That being said, I do like the trope, the cliche, whatever, of taking something related to your niche and clipping the Rode to that and using it like a interview-style microphone. I do think that's funny. That doesn't bother me in the slightest. Moving right along. 3. Number 3. This one might sound like unnecessarily making fun of Americans, but if there's guns in your video and your video isn't related to gunsmithing, instant off. No thank you. I just have no interest. If you're doing like, if you're showing like rifling techniques and I search for that, fantastic. If you're redoing gun stocks and you got some interesting finishing thing, brilliant. I'm down for that 100%. If I'm watching your video and it's going to be a video about making a table and you're standing there with like an AR-15 or something, goodbye, not interested. It's absurd and no one needs to see that shit, quite frankly. Yeah, cool. Number 4. Number 4 is kind of along the lines of number 3. Anything like just randomly, unnecessarily, overtly patriotic is absurd. We don't need that. You know what I mean? Like, I get it. You're proud of where you're from. Put a flag on the wall, whatever, what have you. I don't actually have a Canadian flag on the wall here, but it's probably no surprise that I am Canadian. But, like, again, it's more American bashing, but like, have you ever been to a Home Depot and seen an American flag hanging on every single aisle like you forgot what country you're in? It's just absurd. We don't need that. It's just calm down. She'll be right. We're all people. It'll be okay. Yeah. And El Cinco de Crapo. The 5th thing you can do in a video that makes me absolutely lose my mind reminds me actually of a story. Back when I was one of the cool kids and I studied music in university, I gave a demo for a band I was in to one of my professors, a guy named Dr. Alex Sisarev. And he was like, oh, this is good. This is good. This is good. Yeah, I'm liking this. Guitar trios are really big. And then he was like looking at his watch and he's looking around and he's like, okay, man. And he hit stop. And he said, don't bore us, give us the chorus. If your intro is overly long, like 45 seconds to a minute, if it's over that, like everything, branding, thing, shall I describe the whole deal? If the whole thing is more than 45 seconds, I'm out. I'll watch you talk for a little bit and fluff on, but like, oh my God, man, just get on with it. Right? Anywho, yeah. Whew. That's all. This is, how many fingers? 6? Uh-oh, this one's a bonus one. This one's a bit tricky and will kind of offend people, I think, maybe. Your faith. Far be it for me to be somebody who makes fun of something which gives someone comfort when times are bad, when times are tough. We're all makers of some kind. We all do this stuff. We don't need to bring religion into it. You know what I mean? Like, we can do work, we can converse, we can have conversations, we can teach each other things without having to have something else that divides us. Someone once said religion is like a penis. It's nice to have one, but please don't wave it around in public. Like, just, that's you. That's a personal journey that I'm not a part of. You know what I mean? There you go. That's apparently 6 things that will make me turn off a maker's video instantly. And 3 of them are kind of the exact same thing, so that's kind of lazy. But anyway, if you're new here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And yeah, I do have some merch for sale. Since I put up my last video, I've sold, I don't know, 5, 6 of these mugs, which is fantastic. I love it. And kind of the mantra of this video, I suppose, for the most part, is on this mug, really. It's empty. I'm pretending there's coffee in it. At the end of the day, you could probably find an example of every single thing that I said in this video in one of my videos somewhere. You know, yeah. Thanks for listening to me rant, I guess. Maybe I'll see you guys next time. Maybe not if you're tuning in from the States. Love you guys. Bye for now. Ow. What did I just step on? Don't be barefoot in the workshop.